Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change avatar on Top War. In order to change your avatar on Top War game, first open your Top War application and make sure that it loads. After it is done connecting to a server, from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left-hand corner. This will then open up your profile. Tap on your profile picture again one more time and you should be able to choose from avatars displayed on the screen. Go ahead and select your desired avatar for your character. You can also select your avatar frame tab at the top and select a different frame for yourself. After you are done selecting avatar frame, tap on OK. If you want to upload your own photo from your library, you'll need a Supreme Pass. Once you have it, you'll also be able to upload images from your device's library and choose your own image as your avatar. So that was how you can easily change avatar on Top War. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.